We gonna rise up till it's won. We gonna rise up till it's won. People rise up, so we keep coming back. They try to stop us. They try to stop us, but we keep coming back.
And I was thinking I was living in a country where I'm free, but I got...
I'm here this morning because we don't need federal troops in the Bay Area. We don't need folks being snatched up off the streets. Oakland needs adequate housing. We need good schools. We need, safety in our schools. And what the federal government is doing here is trying to sow division and fear. And so that's why people are out here of all races, all colors, coming together to show that, like, we are against the federal troops being here.
The reason I came out to this protest is because I believe in honesty, I believe in integrity, I believe in truth, not lies, I believe in compassion, kindness to all of our neighbors, kind of all the things that Wonder Woman embodied. And I grew up watching Wonder Woman and back at the Hall of Justice with her super friends, trying to stop, masked men acting like bullies, beating people up, no due process, things like that. So I'm seeing things happen in real life that I used to see happen while watching Linda Carter, and I'm not okay with that. So I'm representing here.
Well, I mean, it's so disruptive because what you're doing is you're frightening people. You're frightening people. Can you imagine? Just imagine, put yourself in the shoes of someone that spent 20 years as a maid, as a house worker, housekeeper. You got kids at the house. You've done nothing wrong all your life. And some people in vans swoop you up, your kids are at home. I mean, that's, to me, the most cruel. You can't get more crueler than that.
Ain't gonna let nice intention turn us around. Keep on talking up to freedom.